Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. So, homemade fret end file. This is a fine tooth triangle file that I had in my collection out in my shop, and I thought, I need a better file for doing fret ends with than what I've been using. So what I did was I took it to the grinder and I peeled all the teeth off two of the sides, and then I took the same thing with the edges here, got rid of the edges, so I have just enough that I can go in on the fret and you do it like a curving action type of thing, you know, and you round off your fret ends and get rid of the burrs, and this will work for now. I'm going to actually order the one from stewmac that they have for, like, I think it's like $18.95 Canadian. It's a professional level one, you know, but this will do for now until I get it. And you know, because eventually files, you know, you got to either clean them if you can or pitch them out and get a new one. And this one I don't care about. It's a cheap file anyways, but it's a good one, so that ought to last me for quite a long time, and I should be able to clean it at least once or twice. Doing this on the grinder though, if you're going to make your own fret end file out of a triangle file, some guys only peel off one end. I decided to go with two, and but what you got to do is you got to go against the flat of the wheel. Don't go against the round side because you don't want to bevel the thing, but you want to go against the flat side of the disc of the wheel. So what I do is I kind of like fed it down in and pulled it back and in and out, and I kept the weight balanced at the back here so it would stay flat. And then afterwards I took this thing to a sharpening stone that I have. It's a coarse and fine grit stone, and then just, you know, basically went around it like this onto the stone until everything was completely and perfectly flattened out. And then I took the edge here where I had done the edges on the grinder, and I ran it back and forth like a knife to smooth that out, so this way it will not harm the fretboard. So in other words, I don't have to tape off my fretboard unless I want to, because there's no way that this file is going to be able to hurt my fretboards. So that works. So in a pinch, this is a way to do it. Now you can pick up these files at, well, if you live in Canada, Home Hardware is where I got mine, and you can also, I believe, get them at Canadian Tire, and probably a few other places. If you live in the States, you know, Harbor Freight or your local hardware store should have triangle files like this. You get them in a kit usually. There's like different files, and one of them is this one. You may be able to buy it as a single. I have no idea. You know, you'll find out, I guess. But you do need to have a proper fret end file for deburring and turning over the edges on the end of your sharp frets, and this definitely is going to help you achieve that. And then of course, once you're done, polish all your frets up, make them all nice and shiny and beautiful, and voila, away you go. Anyways, so that's my video for the day on this little homemade tool, and it works really well. I've already tried it out and it is awesome, so that's going to be cool for doing fret ends with. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Ciao.